What's going on, guys? Mike here, living with 3M auto vlogging. So if you guys that own a generation 2 Ford Raptor and have the infamous steering wheel red stripe wear due to the heating element being too hot, this video is just for you, so you better pay attention. If your steering wheel is worn, that red stripe is no longer red, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Now, keep in mind, there's going to be people out there that say they sell a kit that's a piece of leather that you can re-sew. That's only for generation 1s, not 2s. There is no fix like that for the generation 2. You can choose to buy a new steering wheel at $500 from Ford, or there's going to be the people with the RIT dye in the little containers that say you need to dye the steering wheel leather back red. Just doesn't work, man. Just doesn't work right. I'm telling you. You're gonna go to get this. That's 3M tape. I got the red. You can do whatever color you choose, but I got the red. You're laughing right now, but just wait till you see what it's gonna look like. I've seen many posts, people were laughing, putting the laughing emoji. I'm like, man, why are you knocking it? It's just a few bucks. Try it before I spend $500 on a steering wheel. My God. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start at the very bottom. This tape is just wide enough for this steering wheel. You're gonna take your time. And you're gonna wrap it tight. And I would only suggest going around 2, maybe 3 times. All right, good pair of scissors. We're gonna cut it to where the line is in the back or the very bottom. I'm just going ahead and tell you, you cannot tell a difference. See if the camera will focus in. It's actually covering the laces where it's stitched. Try and give you the steadiest shot I can. It looks perfect. I mean, man, it's absolutely awesome for a roll of tape. If you want to fix, that's the fix. Man, if you want to spend $500, replace that steering wheel, knock yourself out. But man, if I can buy a few years just by doing that, hey, I will do it all day. Remember, guys, you heard it here first. How to make the red stripe look brand new.